What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 23 of the Chris Sain 100K challenge. As you can see on the screen, it's Friday, June 4th. Hope everybody had a phenomenal green week. But before we get into it, you know how we do it. If you want to help yourself out to 2 free stocks, click the link down below in my description and sign up for Webull today. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into my tracker. All right, guys, here we are inside my tracker. It's been a crazy week, and I'm gonna give you guys a few updates of what happened. So I'm starting the whole consolidation process of all the plays that I'm not or no longer building out anymore, and all the ones that I've had outside of this challenge up to this point, except for my 2 dividend plays. I'm killing those now. So G-Stat and Hall of Fame, the 2 plays that I bought a few months ago that I told you guys about, I went ahead and killed those, and I used part of that as my buying power to buy AMC. And just to talk about AMC just a little bit, so I tried to do an option play on AMC, didn't happen. Tried to buy a few shares of AMC, didn't happen. Then 2 days later, I want to say it was on, I think it was about 2 days ago actually, I got into it because it started going down a little bit, and then my trailing stop loss kicked me out when I hit, I think it was like 48 or something like that. And so because of that, I'm kind of nervous to getting back into it. Let me know down below if I should get back into AMC or not. But it's extremely volatile, and I don't trust that. So I might just play it safe and put all my buying power into one of the big plays that I have, like GNOG, could be Neo or Tattooed Chef or APXT. I'm really looking at APXT to like put that money in. But let me know your thoughts on AMC, and if you guys are building out your positions in that or not. And let's see, American did very well. It's starting to recover back again. Apple did so. It's about flat. And then Airbnb, so I'm gonna get rid of Airbnb. I'm gonna get rid of, where is it at? Hyliion. I'm gonna get rid of Workhorse also. So as soon as those hit over 5%, I'm gonna get put my trailing stop loss on it, and I'm gonna kill those, and then keep consolidating more and more as much as possible. So I want to keep Neo, of course, like when Tattooed Chef doubles up, when GNOG doubles up, Future FinTech doubles up, when all those APXT double up. I'm going to consolidate those into 2 plays when I get the money back from that. So just letting you guys insight on my my strategy coming up. But yeah, I gotta get these plays down to a smaller quantity. If I can get it down to 7, that'd be pretty cool, because again, keep in mind I have 2 dividend plays, 2 outside of this portfolio that I still have. So looking forward to doing that over the next 1 or 2 months, so I can just focus on a few plays and then transactions. So again, AMC I bought into, then I got out. Well, it's 43, not 48. And then deposits. So deposits, and I did correct this, guy. So $200 was added on the 28th, and I added $500 this week. To, is that right? Yeah, that's right. $67.50. To make sure. Yeah, we good. All right, $67.50 is the grand total for the challenge. And with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into my app. All right, guys, here we are inside my app. Your boy is currently sitting at 10,724.82, so a bit flat for the week. As you can see, only up $72. Buying power is at 1,051. Let's see. And then let's go ahead and go over here. An option place, I still have the same 2 that I've been having from the very beginning. So again, I haven't been tapping into options quite yet. I probably will in the next few weeks or so, but right now I'm just chilling. Stocks, these are my 2 dividend plays. If you're new to the series, Apple for the week up 89 cents. Airbnb, which I'm going to get rid of probably in the next 2 weeks, up a little bit over 4%. here's my average cost at 146.94. My total market value is at 551 or 511, sorry. And then Hyliion, I'm gonna dump this for the week, up 10%, but I'm still down in the hole. Let's see, down 33%. The average cost is 17.45. Workhorse, dumping this too. Should I read this a long time ago? 34%, and I'm still down the hole. I think, yeah, 40%. It's been crazy. Market value at 129. American. American having a down week, but not by much. Total market value at 243, but total return though at 38%. When this doubles up, I'm getting rid of it, obviously. Neo did pretty good for the week, up a little bit over 4.5%. Neo, 12% right now. Market value at 418. Coinbase only have one share at this. Let's see, right now it's at 228. See, it's down a little bit over 4%, but I'm still up barely. Might buy more shares of this also. GNUG, Golden Nugget, it's down about 35 cents, but overall down 22%. APXT for the week, about flat also, a little bit over 1%. Total market value 1321, still down on about 30%. I can still average down on that. Let's see. Future FinTech, about flat, but I'm still down a little bit over 32% in this. That new Tattooed Chef. No, Tattooed Chef, 27.96.25. It's coming back, slowly coming back. So I'm only down a little bit over 11% for this one. Feeling good. All right, guys, and let me show you my cash so you guys can see how much money I've been putting in. Go to account, banking, deposit, so you guys can see how much money I actually put in. So 500, and then that's the 24th. I was thinking about 200 bucks. So 30, 100. So again, just showing you guys my transactions so you guys know how much money I'm actually putting in this thing as we go along this journey. But if you guys made it this far in the video, give your boy the thumbs up, smash that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.